Criminal prosecutors. What's the most outrageous legal crisis you've managed in a military courtroom? I was a JAG officer handling a court-martial for a Marine sergeant accused of misappropriating unit funds. Standard case until the defense counsel requested an emergency recess during cross-examination. The judge granted 15 minutes. When we returned, absolute chaos. MPs were escorting 3 witnesses into custody, and my case file had disappeared from the prosecution table. The defense counsel approached and whispered, "Your star witness just confessed to orchestrating the whole thing. He's in the conference room with the commanding officer." I rushed to the room to find my E7 witness, visibly shaken, with the full-bird colonel staring him down. The witness saw me and said, "Ma'am, I can't do this anymore. The sergeant is innocent. I moved the funds to cover gambling debts and framed him because he was investigating discrepancies in my reports." The colonel turned to me and said, "Captain, fix this. Now we've got CENTCOM leadership arriving in 2 hours for the base inspection, and I need this contained before they land." I had 15 minutes to dismiss charges against one Marine, prepare new charges against another, and brief the convening authority, all while keeping it from leaking to the press embedded for the CENTCOM visit. I drafted the dismissal paperwork and new charges simultaneously, had my paralegal prepare the briefing documents, and coordinated with the PMO to ensure proper custody procedures. We reconvened court at 14:45, exactly 3 minutes before the CENTCOM helicopter landed. The judge reviewed my filings and said, "Captain, in 20 years on the bench, I've never seen a prosecutorial pivot this clean. The integrity of the military justice system remains intact." Later, the colonel simply nodded and said, "That's why we have lawyers in uniform."